Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a whimsical surreal art scene with Pippit AI. So first, Pippit AI is an easy AI creative tools that will help you to generate any AI content, like maybe AI talking photos like this, short drama agent, and then avatar videos, product showcase, product photo, product videos, and then many more. And then in here we will use these tools to create uh, to transform your photo into a whimsical surreal art scene. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open the Pippit AI like this. You will see the homepage like this, and then just go to Image Studio, and then just choose AI designs, and then in here just upload the image that you want to transform like this, and then after that just write your prompt. For I already prepared a prompt like this you can just copy my prompt, and if you want to tweak this prompt as you want, just tweak it, just feel free to tweak it. And then after that just choose your AI model that you want to use, choose your resolutions, and then just choose your ratio, and after that just click on submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this you will get the four results like this. And okay, I think the results look so good like this. It's so incredible, it's amazing and cute at the same time. It's like this, it's so cool. And okay, that's it. Maybe next you can just try this tool yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.